Alright, jabronis, I'm back with another Spin Master Monster Truck review, and this time it is the first time I've ever gotten a Spin Master Demolition Doubles. I've gotten Hot Wheels Monster Jam Demolition Doubles before, but I have not got a Spin Master one. As a matter of fact, the first time I was going to buy a Spin Master truck was actually going to be the Hurricane Force and Blue Thunder Demolition Doubles, but I ended up just getting Hurricane Force in the singles. So, in this Demolition Doubles, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Crushstation, and a lot of people have recommended that I get the new Big Kahuna. So, what better way to get these two for the price of one? Nah, I'm kidding. This was like 15 bucks. But yeah, the Big Kahuna came out in singles, and a lot of people have been saying I need to get the updated version with the surfboards in the back. It is a must-get Spin Master truck to have. And I saw that they released the red Crushstation, and I was looking for it, but I didn't know it was only in the Demolition Doubles as of now. So I figured, hey, might as well just get this, because I get the Big Kahuna plus the Crushstation I was trying to buy. So here it is, and I'm going to compare them to the Hot Wheels, of course, and explain my personal opinions on them. But right off the bat, let's open up the Demolition Doubles Big Kahuna and Crushstation. Now, as far as I know, this should, because I haven't seen anybody open Demolition Doubles on camera, so I don't know if I'm going to be getting a poster or complaint card inside, so this will be a nice little mystery to find out. As far as I know, you should, right? Okay, so it opens fairly easy. No? I don't think you do. Oh, you get a complaint card. But you don't get a poster. Interesting. So you only get a poster with the singles. Alright, cool. Nice to know. So, let's take a look at the trucks. Here they are. Crushstation and Big Kahuna. Alright, let's take a look at Big Kahuna first. Nice. It's got the matte feel to it, like the original Hot Wheels one. It says Big Kahuna on the tailgate right there. Fairly decent graphics on this one, believe it or not. Compared to other Spin Master trucks I got, usually they're pretty terrible. I mean, you know, not terrible, but could be better. Well, this one seems pretty good. I mean, I like it so far. We got the Monster Jam logo there. The blue rims. I believe the singles Big Kahuna came with gray rims, if I'm not mistaken. I'm probably wrong because I forgot what it looked like. But here it is. Here's the top, the front. Looks pretty neat, if you ask me. And then the surfboards. I don't want to try and see if the surfboards break off. Right, I'm not going to mess with them. Alright, so here's the Hot Wheels Big Kahuna. Let's see, comparison-wise. Ooh. Alright, fairly similar in a lot of ways. Now this is the Demolition Doubles, so like I said, I'm pretty sure the roll cage and the rims are different colors from the single, but this is the same, well, I mean, yeah, I guess I could say it's about the same color rims. I'll try and see. I think these rims have sparkles in them, actually. You can kind of see some sparkles in the rims. A little bit. So, compared to the Hot Wheels, this is the original Titan monster truck tooling, so they just reused that body to throw it onto the Big Kahuna to make it as close as they can. And then, here's the Spin Master one. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Alright. Different. It is different. You got a tiki with wings, and it has the K on it. This one's got a tiki with tiki torches. So it is different. Alright, I didn't know that it actually updated. So that is pretty cool. I didn't know that. The top is definitely wider, and then, you know, of course, it's the Hot Wheels tooling. Then on the back, you got nothing on the back here of the Hot Wheels Kahuna, and it does say Big Kahuna on the newer one. So that's interesting. I didn't know that they updated the graphics. And then side-by-side views, you got the US body sponsor on the Hot Wheels one, and the Big Kahuna Tiki right there. You don't have the US body sponsors up here. It's actually, this is a lighter blue, I've noticed, compared to the Hot Wheels one. So interesting. Both are different in a lot of ways. I thought it was just the tooling in the body, but graphic-wise, yeah, it's completely like updated graphics. So I didn't know that. So interesting. Real interesting. You guys can be the judge, but these are really close in my book. So there's that. Next up, let's take a look at the main truck I was real excited to get. The new Crushstation, the red one. The blue one is currently the only one that's being sold in the singles for Spin Master. The red one's the Demolish Doubles, like I said. So, here's the Crushstation. I love the eyes. Pretty sweet. Okay, if we can get that little McLaughlin Seafood. Trying my best to pronounce that. I don't even know if that's the right way yet. Crushstation, red. Here's the tail. Same thing on the other side. Looks pretty dope. And then on the top, Monstah Lobstah. Pretty sick if you ask me. So let's take a look at the Hot Wheels one. Alright, so Hot Wheels is Crushstation. Bodies are definitely different. This one's more widened out to look like the real life truck. And the lobster spines on its head are more pointy and spiky compared to this one. The claw on this one's open, this one's painted shut. Crushstation, it looks like the lettering's a little bit different. It's like a faded blue on the Spin Master one. It's got a darker blue on this. Now this is from 2015, might I add. It looks like the Monster Jam logo's in the same spot, so there's that. The lobster tails, they are their own way. They're definitely, well, maybe not. I thought they could balance, but they don't. There's the tops of each Crushstation. You got the fisherman on the 15 one. And unlike the, this one though, I will say, it's like the blue Crushstation where it says Monstah Lobstah. Like right up here where the fisherman's foot is where it stops saying it. This one goes all the way down to the tail. So that is pretty nice. Then here's the front. The Hot Wheels Crushstation has white ghost eyes, and you can actually see the eyes on the Spin Master Crushstation. I don't know if that was intentional or what, but other than that, I would vote the Spin Master Crushstation is a lot better than the Hot Wheels Crushstation. As of now, I mean, I don't have the blue one to compare it to because I mainly wanted the red one. So the red Crushstation Spin Master, I think, is better than the Hot Wheels Crushstation, but it is really, you know, a tug of war between these two. It's, I mean, all it comes down to the graphics, I guess, and the, you know, what's right for what time. Because it says the U.S. body sponsor there. This one don't. It's updated. I didn't even know that. So anyways, that's just all that. Anyways, with that being said, that is the Spin Master, Big Kahuna, and Crushstation. I dig them both, but I am loving that Monstah Lobster a lot more. Thanks for watching.